Hi friends, welcome back. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to clone or download a Git repository onto your system. For that it's necessary that you have a Git bash or a Git GUI installed on your system. So I'm going to take you through the journey of installing it and configuring it. So just simply type in Git, and the first result that pops up is from the official site Git SCM. Just click on that and go to an icon over here which is for Windows download 2.16.2. So now you have two variants for this, a 32-bit and a 64-bit. So Git will automatically figure it out if you have a 64-bit operating system or 32. For me, I have a 64 one, so I'm just gonna go to my download section and then the software folder. I generally store all my software. And the downloading has begun. Let it download. Now my Git executable file is ready, so I'm just gonna left click on it and open it up. I'm gonna click on yes. And this is the GNU public license available. I click on next again. This path is fine for me. If you want to change, go ahead and change it from browse over here. I'll click on desktop because I want the Git bash and the Git GUI on the desktop. So this name is fine for me, the folder name. And I'll click on next. Vim as the default editor, fine for me. Windows command prompt, the Git will be accessible. Very nice. Open SSL library and Unix style line and endings. Min.ttY, this will be a little clumsy but it's fine to follow. And then just simply click on install. So in just few seconds all of the recommended settings will be installed onto your system. Now I see that my Git setup wizard is all ready. I'm gonna launch my Git bash as soon as I hit on finish. So these are the release notes. And if I'll type Git bash from over here, I can see that it's now a desktop app. And this is the screen that's gonna pop up. It's a bit black screen and you don't know what to do with it, but I'll take you to Git configuration now. And these are the two lines that you have to configure your Git with. First your username and then your user email. So for me, my username is from here. My email that I remember with this, I'm gonna configure it with. So just go in here. This is git config global user.name. I'll go in here and type in git config global user.name. So I'll just increase this for you. So this is the line I'm writing, and then I'm just gonna type in my username and then again my user email. So write in git config global with the hyphens included, and then my email, which I remember it as So this is all. Your Git is ready and configured, and we are ready to go with cloning and downloading it. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.